third term is 15, 10th term is 125. We have to find common difference and the 10th term. Now children, if we see here, if we look for A3, the nth term is going to be 2, n is going to be 3. But if we look at S10, n has to.
Ma'am, you are
आपका
muted.
mic mute पे है.
Going to get ourselves confused in any way. Whatever is given, we shall apply formula of nth term and sum of n terms. And in nth term, we will take n equal to 3. In Sn formula, we will take n equal to 10. We don't have to get ourselves confused for anything. Right? For example, as A3 is equal to 15. This simply means A1 plus 2D is equal to 15, beta. This is my first equation, that A1 plus 2D is equal to 15. Now I will use this formula of S10. What is S10? Let me change S10 in terms of A1 and D. n by 2 hota hai. N is 10. Are you with me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
10 by 2. Twice of A1 plus how many times D? 10 minus 1.
9.
Which is 9D.
9D.
Keep one logic in mind. When we are talking of nth term, so A1 plus n minus 1D. When we are talking of sum, it is 2 times A1 and same n minus 1D. और बाहर n by 2 भी होता है. ठीक है? Is equal to 125. Now 10 by 2 is, what is 10 by 2?
5.
5. 2A1 plus 9D is equal to 125. Now this 5 and 125 we can call off.
25.
125. So this gives me 2A1 plus 9D equal 25. Now I have two equations with me, beta, in two variables A1 and D. We need to simplify these two equations to get the values of A1 and D. What should we do?
Multiply equation 1 by 2
Ma'am,
and then subtract it from
subtraction
second
method.
equation.
So I am multiplying it by 2. Okay. So here I can write multiplying equation 1 by 2. So we get 2A1 plus 4D is equal to 30. And this equation 2 is 2A1 plus 9D is equal to 25. This is by equation 2. Okay. What should I do next? Add or subtract?
Subtract.
Subtract.
I subtract, cancel, 4D minus 9D.
Minus 5D.
And 30 minus 25 is plus 5.
5.
So what does it mean?
D is minus 1.
Minus 1.
D is minus 1. Clear? I
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
find the value of D. I am done with D. Yes, beta, is calculated. Now the next thing. D is minus 1. Now the next thing. From 1, A1 is equal to 15 minus 2D. 15 minus 2 into minus 1. That will be 15 plus 2, which is 17. So now you have calculated A1 as well. Lastly, what is to be calculated?
A10.
A10.
A10 is
A1
A1
plus
plus 9D.
9D.
So 17 plus 9 into minus 1, which is
8.
6. 8. Sorry. 8.
17 minus 9, which is 8. Clear? So we had to calculate D and A10. We are done with that. Alright, beta.